For the last month, I've been battling this constant stuffiness, especially when I'm trying to get work done at my desk. It's incredibly frustrating, and honestly, it just makes me feel sluggish. I'd spend ages fiddling with the thermostat, trying to find that perfect balance, but it never seemed to fully resolve it. It's like a perpetual layer of dust and allergens just clinging to the air. Then I started looking into air filters, and that's when I came across the Simply 20 by 20 by 1 air filter. The design, a simple rectangle, is actually quite clever. It's like a tiny, focused shield against all that airborne nastiness. Now, it's not perfect, and this is my honest observation. The packaging could be a little more robust. The shrink wrap was a bit tricky to get off, and I was worried about tearing it. But beyond that minor point, the filter itself is really well constructed. It's comparable to filters from 3M, FilterBuy, and Honeywell, boasting a MERV 8 rating and capturing 90% of airborne particles. The pleated technology is noticeably better than my old filter, and I've already noticed a difference in the air quality. It's priced competitively at around $35 for a 6-pack, which is significantly less than premium brands like those from Honeywell, which regularly go for $70 or more. I left a link in the description if you want to check current pricing. No pressure. Imagine this. It's a Saturday morning, you're up early, making pancakes. The kitchen smells amazing. The sun is streaming in, and you're enjoying a cup of coffee, breathing in that clean, fresh air, all thanks to a simple filter. Either way, hope this saved you some research.